Okay, good morning, student. Today, our topic is the corrective measures of the common posture deformities. आप लोग समझ गए हैं कि कॉमन पोस्टर डिफॉर्मिटीज क्या हैं? Common posture deformities, there are the five types. Number one, spinal related deformities, flat foot related to deformities, knock knee related deformities, bow leg and round shoulder. ठीक है? Kyphosis, lordosis और scoliosis related to the spinal cord. This deformity. Flat foot related to the flat fit areas, the नीचे की तरफ जो नीचे का तलवा जो होता है, बेस होता है पैरों का, उससे रिलेटेड जो है वो हमारा फ्लैट फुट है. नॉक नी related to the knees and femur bone and tibia, and this is a tabula and backside bone tibula. टिबिया एंड टिबुला, ऊपर वाली जो लंबी वाली बोन जो है ये हमारी क्या है, फीमर बोन. ठीक है, जिससे हम थाइस बनाते हैं, मसल्स इकट्ठी होती है. धीरे वर्टेब्रा, ओके, एंड वर्टेब्रा के नीचे की जो हड्डी होती है बहुत छोटी सी, वो कॉजी बोलते हैं, कॉजी. ठीक है, इलियम पार्ट नीचे वाला जो है. ठीक है, बो लैग जैसे कि धनुष के आकार का बन जाता है, बो की टाइप का जो बन जाता है बेस, जो उससे पैर भाग की तरफ फैल जाते हैं, वो हमारा बो लैग है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द राउंड शोल्डर. राउंड शोल्डर रिलेटेड टू द शोल्डर, बॉल एंड सॉकेट्स जॉइंट, स्केपुला जॉइंट्स, ठीक है, एंड सर्वाइकल जॉइंट्स. ये आपका जो है राउंड शोल्डर हो जाता है. देयर आर द शॉर्ट करेक्टिव मेजर्स इन दिस टॉपिक बाय द रेडीमीज. बट नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा है इससे रिलेटेड, वो है करेक्टिव मेजर्स फॉर पोस्चर डिफॉर्मिटीज. मतलब हम पोस्चर डिफॉर्मिटीज को किस तरह से हम लोग करेक्ट कर सकते हैं, उसको ठीक कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, these are not disease, these are deformities. Okay, our environmental contain many force that act upon our environmental contain many force that act upon our body, and sometimes due to these force we suffer from postural deformities, mostly like the postural deformities may be due to the pull of the gravity, congenital by birth, malnutrition and the prolonged illness. Postural deformities are two types, functional and structural. Functional and structural. In functional deformities, only the soft tissues, the muscles and the ligament are affected. In case the correction of postural deformities is possible through various corrective measures. On the other hand, structural deformities occur when our bony structure is affected. Physical activities and other corrective measures in such case cannot play any significant role. In fact, in such case, surgery can be helpful for the securing the desired improvement. The role of the physical activities as well as other corrective measures and functional deformities is very effective, especially during elementary school areas. Indeed, physical activity or corrective measures exercise in various forms can save or contracted the effect of gravitational force. The correction of the postural deformities should be a part of the school education. The program for the corrective of the postural deformities in the school should be included to serve more than just the exercise for corrective specific deformities. Students should also the encourage to engage in exercise for the increased journal strength, endurance. Strength, endurance, balance and flexibility. Method of the relaxation should also be undertaken along with the exercise. Posture consciousness should also be development among should students who have postural deformities. There are a number of physical activity or corrective exercise which can be used as the corrective measures for the postural deformities. Very corrective measures related to the specific postural deformities are started below. ठीक है? Corrective measures for kyphosis. Corrective measures for kyphosis. किस तरह से हमें ठीक करते हैं? अब किससे रिलेटेड है kyphosis? हैं? Kyphosis किससे रिलेटेड है? Peppermint? Spinal cord. Very good. There are the three corrective measures. Number one, lay on the back. In spinal position with the knee, draw up the feet flat on the ground. Okay? Both hands should be at sided. Then move your arm side in horizontal position. Palm should face upward. Okay. Raise your arm upward over the head and palm. Still facing upward. Hold the position of the sometime after the bring your arm back horizontal position. Repeat the exercise at the 10 list. Like that the Dhanurasana. This is the first picture is the Dhanurasana in your book. तो इस तरह से हम लोग जो है इस अभ्यास कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट आसन या नेक्स्ट पोजिशन फॉर करेक्टिव मेजर्स टू kyphosis. Number 2, lay down in the prone position. Okay, on the chest, the hand on your head, hip. After that, raise your hand and the trunk several inches from the ground. Your chin should be in doing this exercise. Hold the position for the some time and then come back of the previous position. Repeat the exercise at the 10 times. आप लोग जो है दोनों हाथों को ऊपर करेंगे. आपका जो है वज्रासन पोजीशन में बैठना है. दोनों हाथ सामने की तरफ ले जाएंगे. जमीन पर टच करेंगे. एक पोजीशन लेंगे, प्रोन पोजीशन, वहाँ पे होल्ड करना है. ऐसा आपको 10 टाइम्स करना है. तो ये आपका करेक्टिव मेजर हो सकता है. आप है फॉर द kyphosis एक्सरसाइज. kyphosis के लिए ऐसे डिफॉर्मिटीज है उसके लिए हम लोग जो है इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं. नंबर 3, सिट इन द नॉर्मल पोजीशन. Sit on the normal positions. With a stick, hand in the horizontal position, overhand hand. Well separate. After the lower the stick and then raise the behind your hand and the shoulder. While doing this exercise, keep your hand and trunk straight. Repeat this exercise the 10 times. पिक्चर नंबर 2 जैसे बता रखा है. दोनों हाथों को ऊपर लेना है और आप अपनी स्पाइनल की जो है इस प्रकार से अभ्यास कर सकते हैं और kyphosis को दूर कर सकते हैं. लेट कर जो है वहाँ पे जो है मसाज टाइप करनी है, वो राउंड जो बना हुआ है रोलर, उससे आप लोग अपनी कमर की एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं. ओके. करेक्टिव मेजर ऑफ द लॉर्डरसिस. There are the 5 points, 6 points. Number 1, lay down in the prone position with hand under the abdomen. Then keep hip and the shoulder down. Press your hand up on the abdominal and raise the lower back. Okay. Number 2, back knee forward. While allowing hips to bend, keeping the back straight and the knees pointed on the same direction as the feet, distance until thighs are just parallel to the floor. Extend knee and hip until legs are straight. Come back to the standing position and then repeat this exercise. Okay? Number 3, lunge forward with knee on a mat. Place the feet beyond the knee. Place both hand and knees straight hip of rear leg by the pushing hip forward and hold the stretch position. Repeat with the opposite side. Number 4, sit on the chair with the feet wide apart. Bend and position your shoulder between your knees, then reach the floor under back on the chair. Hold the position for some duration. Number 5, lay in a prone position on the floor. Keep your palm of your hand on the floor as per shoulder width. Push torso up, keeping pelvic on the floor. Hold this position for some times. Okay. Number 6, sit down with knees extended. Fit together and hand aside. After then bend your forward, touching the fingers to toe. Hold the position for some time. Then come the back of the original position. Repeat the exercise. देखिए दोनों हाथों को आपको साइड में रखना है, अप करना है. Touch the toe. Okay. Touch the toe. Hold in this position and slowly come back and down their hand. This is for the motor. Okay. Next, corrective measures for the scoliosis. Scoliosis exercises are designed to correct the rotatory curvature of the spinals. These exercises help in the limited way to decrease curve angles. In fact, exercises do not play a very significant role in the correction of the scoliosis. The effect, people are advised to participate in the physical education programs. Online sports and normal recreational activities, they may wear scoliosis braces. Some exercises which are described below may be beneficial to the extent to scoliosis. ठीक है, जिग जैग बन जाता है हड्डी में, इसको जो है एस को जो है दूर करने के लिए, स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट बनाने के लिए कुछ रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज हैं. ये आर द 3 टाइप ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. ले डाउन इन द प्रोन पोजीशन ऑन द चेस्ट. ठीक है, चेस्ट के साथ आगे टेक कर वज्रासन पोजीशन में बैठकर दोनों हाथ ऊपर करके सामने जैसे नमाज पढ़ते हैं उस कंडीशन में. ठीक है, दोनों हाथ फैलाना है. ठीक, तो राइट द आर्म शुड बी अपवर्ड एंड लेफ्ट arm at side. After that, move right arm toward the left overhead. Press down with left hand and then slide the left hip up. Number 2, stand erect, the feet few inches apart. After that, raise the left hip and after that, raise the left hand, heel and left hip. Extend right arm in the arch overhead of the left. Press left hand against the rib on the left side. इससे हम क्या कर सकते हैं. Number 3, stand in the erect position will feel several inches apart. Keep left hand fingertips on the left shoulder and bend upper body on the right side if there is an opposite C curve in the spinal. But if there is no opposite C curve with the mean, if there is a just C curve, bend the upper body to the left side. The tip of the finger of the right hand should be on right shoulder. Repeat the exercise for some time as per the C curve. Okay. Next, corrective measures for the knock knee. General deformities of the knock knee cannot be corrected through exercise during the later childhood and the adult childhood, but the deformity can be corrected up to some extent through exercise, particularly when it is detected. The favorable result of the exercise can be achieved during the phase of early childhood. The following exercise should be performed. Number 1, horse riding. मैंने आपको बताया था पहले कैसे करना है horse riding, वो भी बताया आपको, ठीक है. Number 2, keep a pillow between the knees and stand straight for some time. Both the feet should touch between the knees and stand straight for some time. कुछ देर के लिए रुकेंगे वहाँ पर, नी को फंसाने के बाद, नी में पिलो फंसाने का थोड़ी देर रुकेंगे वहाँ पर, होल्ड करेंगे. Both the feet should touch each other. Number 3, use of walking calipers may be beneficial. Number 4, perform Padmasana and Gomukhasana regularly. Okay. Next is the measure of bow legs. Okay. Read now. Bow legs.
The role of exercise in case of bow legs is the same as riding now. The quality of bow legs can be corrected up to some extent during the early phase of childhood. During later childhood and adulthood, exercises do not play a role. The following exercises may be beneficial for the correction of bow legs. Number 1, stand erect with feet joined together. Wrap a soft piece of cloth on both legs at knee level. Tighten it with the help of a partner. Try to squat as far as possible. Hold that position of squat for some time. Come to the original position and repeat the exercise 4 to 6 times. Number 2, walk for.
Number 2, sit down. Number 2 for the bow leg. Walk for some distance on the inner edge of the feet. Okay. Walk to some distance on the inner edge of the feet. देखिए जो distance आपका है, तो पैर कैसे करना है, ठीक है, तब walk करना है आपको, ठीक, bow leg के लिए, for bow leg, ठीक. Next, bending, walk to bending the toe inward. अब वो toe जो है उसको अंदर से bend करना है, तो walk करना है ऐसे करके, ठीक है. अगर toe अंदर लगे तो चलते हैं उससे, वो है. Number 4, perform Ardha Matsyendrasana asana, Garunasana and Ardha Chakrasana. Ardha Chakrasana, Matsyendrasana आपकी पिक्चर बनी हुई है यहाँ पर, Matsyendrasana की, हम वो भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो ये हमारे कुछ वो हैं corrective measures. Yes, once again, read now the corrective measures of the round shoulder.
Corrective measures for round shoulders. Round shoulders is a common postural deformity. It can be corrected with the help of the following exercises.
Okay, sit down. Number 1, for the round shoulders, keep your tips of the finger on your shoulder and rotate your elbow to clockwise and anti-clockwise direction for the some time. Keep your tips of the finger on your shoulder and rotate your elbow on the clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. Number 2, hold the horizontal bar regularly for some time. Hold the horizontal bar, फिर रेगुलरली फॉर सम टाइम। हैंग होना है वहां पर, ठीक है, होल्ड पकड़े रखना है खाली बार को। ये किसके लिए है? राउंड शोल्डर। नंबर 3, परफॉर्म चक्रासना एंड धनुरासना फॉर सम टाइम। नंबर लास्ट, corrective measures of the flat foot. The deformities flat foot can be corrected with the help of the following exercise. बता दिया मैंने आपको। नंबर 1, jumping on the toe for some times. Okay. Rope scaling. Stand up and down on the heel. Walk on the toe. Number 5, sit down properly. Try to grip small wedge of the paper with your toes. These pieces of the paper should be picked up to the gripping forcefully. You stop. Conclusion क्या है? The above mentioned corrective exercise or physical activity should be done regularly for the long durations to get to good result. These corrective measures should be employed immediately after the direction of the deformities. In later stage, it would be difficult to correct this direction. So the complete my book corrective measures and the common deformities, इसके साथ एक चैप्टर और ऐड होता है वीमेंस का, तो वो मैं आपको कल नेक्स्ट टाइम करवा दूंगा। वो एक क्वेश्चन ही आएगा उसमें से कि महिलाओं की जो है जो वीमेंस की भूमिकाएं ओलंपिक में कैसे रही हैं, उस पर चर्चा कीजिए, डिस्क्राइब कीजिए, एक्सप्लेन कीजिए, वो करना बात करिए। हमारा चैप्टर कंप्लीट है। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर था, corrective measures और कॉमन पोस्चर डिफॉर्मिटी।